Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Melanade Beauty. I just wanted to pop in and show you all a quick furniture flip. I came across these chairs from Habitat Humanity and they have like this mid-century vibe to them with the rattan cane high back seat, and they kind of have like a front mid-century legs. And I just really like these, and I'm thinking they have a lot of potential. So these are actually half off the original price, so that means I got the whole set for only $13. The set also came with its own dining table that I could have got for only $10, but unfortunately I didn't have enough space. I also came across this table set and dining chairs, and I am obsessed with these. Unfortunately, these were priced at $90 for the set, and that's just a little bit too high of an investment piece for me. I'd rather wait and see if it goes on sale a little bit later, but I just love the foundation of these, very modern, retro at the same time. So I'll be coming back maybe a week or two later to see if they're still here. So these dining chairs are my score of the day, so I'm on my way to take these home and get to work. So first things first, I'm going to remove all the screws and lift those seats up so that way when it's time to clean, I can get into all of the grooves and nooks and crannies and really give it a new polished finish look. Here is a quick little overview of what it looks like now, and I'm going to be using these cleaning supplies, some cleaning spray by Murphy, Windex with no ammonia, just the vinegar, and some wood furnishing polish. And first I'm starting with that vinegar Windex spray. And this just really kind of loosens up some dirt that may be there. And here is a side-by-side view of a clean chair versus a non-clean chair. Now I'm going to move on to the reupholstering of the seats. I am removing all of the staples of this old dusty material. I'm just using some pliers to lift up the staples, and I'm just ripping. I will say that this part was the most time consuming, but it was definitely worth it. And I decided to keep the remaining cushions of the chairs. They just seemed in pretty decent shape. I just wanted to clean them up a bit. And so to do that, I am going to be DIYing my own sticky roller because I kind of ran out, and I just wrapped some tape around this roller just so it'd be a little bit easier. And I'm just going over top of the chairs or the cushions and just getting rid of all this lint and extra material. And believe it or not, this technique actually worked really well, and it definitely saved me a lot of time. As for the fabric, I'll be using some burlap material that I found at Joann Fabrics that was on sale on top of another little discount from the cashier because I used to work there. So I lucked up and got 4 yards for only $10, and the 4 yards fit to the T perfectly. So I'm really happy about that. I did realize that the burlap is a little bit sheer if you only use one layer. So I folded all of it together, like kept it folded. So that way it's like a double layer of burlap. So it's very opaque coloring, if you understand what I'm trying to say. And it still fit just perfectly, even with a double fold. So I'm just using the previous material as a little template, and I'm just cutting around, not really perfect, just cutting around a decent size 6 times. So 4 yards for 6 chairs fit perfectly. And I was able to double it, so I was really happy about this. Now that I have all 6 pieces, I am going to start stapling to the cushion. I'm just using a regular staple gun, and I'm just pulling nice and taut around the perimeter of the chair. Make sure that you start stapling from the center out. That way it will fit evenly around the cushion. This was the most easiest part. Like I said, a little bit time consuming when you have a lot of chairs, but as long as you put something on, some music or a movie, it's actually really therapeutic to me. Now for the fun part. I wanted to give the back chair, this rattan cane webbing, a different look to give it a more modernized feel. So I'm going to be painting the rattan cane webbing in this country chic paint that I have, the chalk paint in the color Soiree, I believe. Once I painted front and back into full coat, I then sealed it with a clear gloss polyacrylic. And as you can see here, I ripped the tape off and it's so nice and crisp and clean. And it's supposed to kind of replicate bleached rattan cane webbing if you've ever seen that before, mostly on more modern new furniture that is supposed to replicate mid-century, but it's new. So here's my take on it. It was very easy. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up some of the paint that I had around the edges using that same old Windex with vinegar solution. This helps remove paint very easily without stripping any of that wood. And to finish off these chairs, I'm just going to be using some Old English wood conditioner to polish up that wood, get it back rejuvenated and looking good and smelling fresh. Now I'm just gonna take some photos so I can get them ready for a Facebook Marketplace and try to sell these for a huge profit. I posted them for $2.75. I absolutely love the new upholstered burlap seats and the painted rattan. It makes it look so fresh and new and modern. Hopefully many others will love these chairs as much as I do, and I'll get a sale very soon. I will keep you all updated on any profits on my Instagram page, so make sure to follow me over on there. If you want to see more furniture flips like this one, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!